Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, the GoPro is acting up again for me. Hey, today I want to talk about cold air intakes. I have the Hellcat one with the opened, but I want to talk about this for a minute. I also have what they call the Hellcat hood. Okay, well the Hellcat hood is now different, but that's what they're calling it because it has the opening. So I looked at a few different cold air intakes. I liked the idea of the sealed design, the full box. I think AFE has the Momentum GT. I was looking at that. And I was looking also at the JLT, which I think had a pretty good design as well. All of them had an inherent flaw with them. What I didn't like about the Momentum GT is that if you go to clean or take out the filter, you have to take the whole box out. People say, oh, it's easy, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, but to me, that's a pain in the ass to start pulling all these tools out just to change the filter. The JLT I didn't like because of the fact that they want you to cover this right here. That right there didn't make any sense either. But I wanted a cold air intake, so I'll tell you, this is what I got. This is what I did. So I did want a cold air intake. I chose the JLT. I'm not endorsing them. I didn't get this thing for free. The first thing is that I'm going to tell you is if you've seen the JLT intake, this part is all open. It mates to the hood. They want you to put a plastic thing to close that off. Okay, I don't want to close that off. What I got was this right here. This is like a shield. So this is going to go over, hopefully. I haven't sized anything. I did a lot of guesswork when I ordered this stuff, but this is going to go over the filter. And it keeps it, you know, because it keeps it about an inch away from the filter. So it's going to be like a fender over the filter. So if rain comes in, it'll hit this and divert and go around and then go down into the bottom. And of course, drain out the bottom. I want this open, and I'll tell you why. As you're driving and you have the cold air coming in here and in through the bottom, it's going to be sucked out from the top. So you're going to have a constant airflow coming through this thing. So yeah, so what I did is I got this fender. I also got this. I watched somebody else on YouTube using some of this heat shielding, and I'm thinking about the spots where it comes close to here and over here and the plastic piece here. I might put some shielding on it. It being plastic, not being insulated, and it just being like that, it seems kind of dumb. They should have put like a little thing where you could, I don't know, I won't go there, but I want to be able to remove the filter, clean it if need be. So I got to show you guys something. The reason why the cold air intakes do better, see how much surface area you have on the stock filter versus that going all the way around and in there. So my original thought was, why can't I just have a tube connect to here and then just hold the filter down into that hole? But it's not that big, so that's what it is. Also, if you look here, here's where the cold air come in from the headlight. If you look, let me take this off my neck. If you look at what they give you in this new box, it's a big square hole. I don't know why. So they give you this, you have to order it. It looks like a mouse pad with a hole cut out in it that sticks to the front. I'll just show you what I get to work with here. So this is the tube. I have to get the rubber thing that goes there. But, yeah. So there's the setup. And I have to get that out. All right, I got the box in. You need to kind of tilt it just a little bit to get that piece in there. Just take a note of how close it is to the right. So this box is definitely bigger. Also, there's some sort of oil residual inside here. I had to clean it in order to get my adhesive to stick, to seal that. I might put another piece over here against this wall and against this wall on the outside to shield from there, but I'm going to run it stock the way it is because I think I'll have enough flow. And yeah, let's keep moving on. So just so you know, I got the box in and I just kind of line this up. This is going to slide in there. That's how I'm doing it. Now this piece is going to go on. This is where my shroud's going to go in underneath this clamp. So the way this is designed is you can't remove this while it's in the box. This whole thing has to pivot up. But still, it's a lot easier than the sealed boxes, you know. But you will have to remove that plug and twist it so you can pull it out. But I'm gonna have to put the shroud on, and I have to leave that clamp a little bit loose so I can adjust it. Came with the heat shielding, came with this rubber piece to go around the edge so it's not sharp, and it tells you to remove this white protective film, which is like trying to peel a sunburn. So let me get this off. Tell you guys, peeling this plastic off of this thing took longer than this whole thing in so far. So anyway, this is what this is going to look like. This is going to go over it. I might have to bend it a little bit, but it's going to go over it like that, and that's going to be my shield. Yeah, that way this will still pull air from the bottom and the front. Extra will come out through the top. So let's see how this comes out. Get the JLT in here. I got it connected. Everything seemed to fit really nice. Got my rain diverter on here, and as I close this down, you know, let me put the GoPro right here. I hope I don't lose the GoPro. And then let's just see how it looks from the top. So far, so good. I have the heat extractor working. I protected the filter. You see that? I protected the filter from the rain. I got a white hood, so that's going to help too. Let me start this puppy up. So now I've got airflow coming in through the front, coming up from the bottom. Heat will be exiting out from the top. Oh my God, you can hear that. Holy smokes. Oh, let's see what the bug, see the fly. Oh, I was gonna see if it sucked them in. I gotta take one more last inspection. I think we're good to go. I gotta get this thing cleaned. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please be sure to put them in the comments below. I'll try to get you the link to the parts that I use, that rain diverter, but I think that's the way to go instead of blocking it off. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, went over 500. I'll have to play this video back. Go over 500. Yeah. She definitely picked up power.